Hi guys, today I'll be showing you a review and guide on the starter plan on Shopify. So let's get started. So here we are in our browser and we are in shopify.com, and this is where you will be when you first go here into the website of shopify.com. But we don't want to dwell too much here because we want to go here in the pricing right here. So you want to click here. And from here, you would see all the prices for the plans right here. And as you can see, just right from the start, you can see it right here, start for free. So you would be able to have the first week absolutely for free, no credit cards, no verifications or something like that, absolutely nothing. It's absolutely free. And then you can enjoy the first 3 months of any plans right here for $1 per month. And after that, then you will be back into the normal price right here. As you can see, 25, 65, 399, and we also have it right here, starter, Shopify Plus, and commerce components right here. So let's just go back right here. So if you want to try this, then you can just click here on start free trial. You can just enter your email address right here, but we're gonna go and discuss about the starter plan. So let's go here at the bottom. So you can see the basic, the Shopify, and the advanced right here. So I guess it's pretty much understandable right here. You can already see what is included on each right here on each plan. So for the basic, it has this one. For the Shopify, it has this one. And for the advanced, it has this one. And you can try it for free right here. And of course, your first 3 months of $1 will apply right here to each of these plans right here. You just need to go and try it for free. Or you can also go for yearly right here, and this will be the price right here per month. And now let's go back, and let's go down, and you can enjoy these features on all of the above plans. So online store, sales channels, point of sale, 24/7 support. This is very important right here. So you could have all of this right here if you go avail any of these above plans right there. And of course, here it is, the starter plan right here, the one that we want to discuss. And this is what we want to get. And as you can see, it also applies right here. The first 3 months of our plan and starter is just simply $1. That is really, really, really cheap. So I really recommend you to get that when you are getting started here in Shopify. And of course, the first week of that is not counted here in the 3 months because the first week is absolutely free. And after the first week, then you would need to pay $1 for each month in the 3 months. And also, I recommend this starter if you are really just starting here in Shopify. So if you're just a newbie right here and you don't want to do complicated things such as coding or whatsoever, then you can just get the starter right here. This is very easy to use, and it is very easy to sell right here. So let's click on Explore Starter so that we can explore this plan right here. And as you can see right here, you can create a simple store in minutes because just like as I said earlier, this is a very simple plan or simple store for you. So if you're a beginner in Shopify or in creating a store, then this plan is for you because with just simple steps, you can create a really awesome and simple, but also premium looking store. So let's go down. And as you can see, you can sell for $5 a month after you're free. After the 3 months of $1. Once it ends, then you can just continue using this for $5, which is also really low. So from here, you can just disregard this actually because you will be earning a lot right here on starter plan on Shopify. $5 would be nothing right here. So jump straight to selling. You can jump straight right here. So it's very direct and straightforward. You can just go with a few clicks and you would have your store ready right here with starter plan. And as you can see right here in the example right here, you can easily market, or you can just easily send your link right here to social medias for Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, this Spotify, TikTok, and WhatsApp. Because as you can see, it's even in Spotify you can still sell. So you can just drop your link right here, just like this one, and you can just sell it to the person right there that is inquiring about your product. Easily share products on Instagram and other social media apps, providing customer quick and reliable transaction with Shopify checkout. And you can just simply set up this with this one right here, so you can monetize your link and bio right here. Want more ways to sell on social media? Create a link pop page in minutes that drives your followers to your top products content, all via your bio link. So this link pop, if you don't have any idea what this is, it's basically like Linktree. So if you have noticed, like in some social media platforms like maybe Instagram and TikTok, you only have one slot for link in your bio, so you can only post one link in your bio, and link pop would really help you with that, because with just one link in link pop, you can have your store right there. When they access your link in link pop, then they could have this right here, and as you can see, it is very easy to sell. So let's check out link pop right here so that I can show you what I mean. And from here, you can just simply go and type your name of your store right here. So let's say tutorial store right there, and you want to claim your URL right here once you have filled this up with your store name. And from here, you want to create a Shopify ID. So let's just continue with email right here, and we're just gonna go and let's just make a temp mail right here, because I'm just gonna go and use this for the tutorial. So for the email, let's just fill this up while that is loading. Tutorial, and this one is shop. And for this password right there, and now let's go utilize this temporary email. You don't want to copy this step, okay? So this is just for my demonstration. This is just a temporary email. You don't want to use this right here. So let's just confirm our password right here so that we can proceed and create Shopify ID. Let's just wait for it to load. And as you can see, choose an account. I want to choose this one. And let's just wait for it to load right there. And as you can see, we can now create our profile right here on Linkpop. And this is our link right here. So you can customize this if you want. But for me, I don't want to customize that. And you can add a profile photo right here if you want. So let's upload an image. Let's see if I have one. Let's say I'll just go and choose this one right here, this PNG. And as you can see, it has been uploaded right here. So you would upload your logo of your store right here so that it would be seen right here when someone or when your customer goes to your Linkpop link, they would see it right here. And of course, your profile name. Let's say go tutorial store again. And as you can see, as I am editing right here, you can see it being edited right here. And of course, your profile description right here would be, this is the best tutorial channel you could have, just like that. And now let's go proceed and click on create profile, or let's just customize this because it says that URL exceeds 30 character limit. So let's just go right here and create profile. And as you can see, we have now published our link pop right here. So once it is published, then we can now go and add a product right here that we are selling, or we can also add a media, add a link, add affiliate link, add affiliate product link right here, or you could even add Amazon affiliate link. So this is really useful right here, and you could just add it right here. So you could click this and you would be able to add a link right here, and you would pop up right here. And when you click on this one, and this would pop up, and you would need to paste the Amazon affiliate link right here. And as you can see, that is how easy it is to use Linkpop and how convenient it is. So that's one of the benefits that you can get here in starter plan. You can easily monetize your link in bio. So moving on, you can find all these essentials right here: order management, analytics, customer support. Customer support is very, very important right here. So you can get the support you need to start, run, and grow your business. So in case you have any questions, then you can really access this customer support because they have great customer support. Also, analytics, you really utilize this so that you could get to know your audience and you would know what to do and what they would want. And now, let's go move on right here at the bottom. So grow as you go, from hashtags to cash bags. Shopify is here with you. Start small and upgrade your plan whenever you're ready to unlock new features and selling capabilities. Need help developing your brand? Explore Shopify's free tools to help you grow it. And you wanna take note of these free tools right here. This is very powerful. Even though they are free, they are very powerful in Shopify. You could create something in minutes, or not even a minute, because they are really simple and very direct to use, compared to when you are developing your own website. It would take hours or even days just to develop it. So with Shopify and your starter plan, this would be really simple and very direct. You can immediately start selling with utmost convenience. And now we're going here into the frequently asked questions. What is a starter plan? So if you have your questions right here, you can actually go and click it right here so that it would expand and it would show the answer right here. And now let's go back, and selling is just the start, just like this one. So these are the example of what you can do, or video ideas that you can do to post on social media so that you can advertise your shop here in Shopify with your starter plan. And you can just simply go and paste the link in the description, your link pop link, so that people would go to your link pop link, and from there they would buy your product, and of course you would have a sale and you would earn. So whether you want to start selling or test drive an idea, Shopify has all the tools you need to get going. So even if you just want to test drive, then you could just go and use Shopify because it is really cheap. $5 or $1 per month is really nothing compared to what you can earn from this one. So if you want to test drive, don't have any doubts, you can go test drive it immediately, and click on this button right here, get started free, so that you can get started immediately. And now that we are at the end, that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.